Hey there, welcome to a new video. In this video we're going to talk about dynamic tube. Dynamic tube is a distortion unit in Ableton, and now we will see how it sounds and how it works. So we have, unlikely the other effects, we have the dry wet at the top left instead of the bottom right. This is the drum loop we have. Then we have the output and we have the driver. Then we have different tube modes, so let's listen to how they sound. And we also have the tone. And the bias, this is the main tube parameter. Higher values move the input signal more and more into regions where the tube does not work linearly and starts creating its characteristic distortion. Very high values lead to a pretty broken sound, so we are just breaking the sound, literally. So really nice control. Then we have the envelope amount, and this is just to control how quick and fast the bias enters and comes out. So this is it for the dynamic tube. A cool plugin. It has a lot of different flavors, and I usually use this mainly on bass because it allows me to get more timbres, more combinations of harmonics, and it's just another distortion effect that Ableton offers, so you can have a really wide palette of harmonic distortion that you can use at your advantage. This is it for this video. See you in the next one.